Imagine standing at the heart of Paris, beholding a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture, the Notre Dame de Paris. Nestled on the Ile de la Cité, this iconic cathedral stands as a beacon of French history and culture, captivating millions with its intricate design and towering presence. It's more than a symbol. It's a storied tapestry, woven with centuries of faith, artistry, and human endeavor. This cathedral is not just a building, it's a testament to the human spirit, resilience, and architectural genius. To truly appreciate the magnificence of Notre Dame, we must travel back to the 12th century. In the heart of Paris, the year is 1163, a time when King Louis VII, an ardent patron of the arts, rules over the city. As part of his grand vision, the cornerstone for a cathedral, unlike any other, is laid. The Notre Dame de Paris, or Our Lady of Paris, begins its journey from concept to reality. Construction of this architectural marvel is no small feat. It's a ballet of masons and artisans toiling tirelessly to raise the cathedral from the ground. The innovation of flying buttresses, a novel concept at the time, allows the cathedral to reach new heights while maintaining structural integrity. Ribbed vaults, another architectural innovation, lend an air of ethereal beauty to the interior, while the richly decorated portal tells tales of biblical lore in stone. The cathedral, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, is not completed overnight. It takes nearly 2 centuries, until 1345 to be precise. This moment marks a significant milestone in Parisian history, as the Notre Dame de Paris, in all its grandeur, finally stands tall, complete and majestic. Each stone, each carving, each piece of stained glass is a piece of history, a story waiting to be told. Over the span of nearly 2 centuries, stone by stone, the Notre Dame de Paris rose in the heart of the city, forever changing its skyline. Notre Dame de Paris is more than a place of worship. It's an architectural marvel that has inspired countless artists and architects. Its breathtaking beauty is a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the craftsmen who built it over 2 centuries ago. Let's delve into the architectural and artistic nuances that make this cathedral so unique. The rose windows, for instance, are an awe-inspiring feature. Their intricate stained glass designs flood the cathedral with a kaleidoscope of colors, creating an ethereal atmosphere. Then there are the bell towers, standing tall and proud. They house Emmanuel, the largest bell of the cathedral, whose resonant chime has echoed throughout Paris for centuries. The gargoyles, perched high above, serve as both rainspouts and symbols of protection, warding off evil spirits. And the Gallery of Kings, a row of 28 statues, represents the monarchs of Judea and Israel, a silent testament to the cathedral's historical significance. Inside, the cathedral is just as impressive. The soaring nave, the grand altar with its intricate carvings, and the treasury housing precious relics all contribute to the cathedral's majesty. Each intricate detail of Notre Dame de Paris tells a story, making it a living, breathing monument of history. Its architectural features are not just artistic embellishments, but a testament to a time long past, capturing the essence of an era in every stone and stained glass. Despite the ravages of time, wars, and even a devastating fire, Notre Dame continues to stand as a beacon of French history and culture. This iconic cathedral, with its soaring spires and intricate stone carvings, has faced down the centuries with a strength that is as breathtaking as its beauty. Consider the French Revolution, a time of tumult and change when many religious symbols were destroyed. Yet Notre Dame survived. It was repurposed, yes, but its core remained unscathed. Then came the Second World War. Amidst the chaos and destruction, Notre Dame stood tall, its silhouette a symbol of hope in a city under siege. And who could forget the fire of 2019? Those images of flames devouring the roof, the spire collapsing, sent shockwaves around the world. Yet even in its moment of crisis, Notre Dame was not defeated. Its stone walls withstood the heat, its treasures were saved, and its spirit remained unbroken. Today, restoration efforts are underway. Skilled artisans are working tirelessly, using both traditional techniques and modern technology, to restore Notre Dame to its former glory. Their dedication is a testament to the enduring legacy of this historic cathedral. As we stand in the shadow of Notre Dame de Paris, we are not just looking at a cathedral. We are witnessing a piece of history, a symbol of resilience, and a testament to the enduring spirit of human creativity.